Hi everyone! I want to show you an eggplant that tastes better than meat. Try this easy and unique recipe. I grabbed 3 eggs and cracked them into my favorite bowl. I add a generous amount of salt. Don't worry about overdoing it. You'll see why soon. Also black pepper and sweet pepper. I'm adding dried herbs. You can add fresh ones if you want. Make sure to whisk it well so that all the spices are evenly mixed and there are no lumps. While I'm whisking, drop a comment letting me know which country you are watching from. I'd love to get to know you better. Let's move on to the eggplant. Cut off the ends and peel the skin. I remove the skin because it's quite tough and isn't needed for this recipe. Here is the crucial step. Make 3 cuts on one side and 4 cuts on the other side. I cut the side with 3 cuts in half. Pour boiling water over it and let it simmer for 5 minutes to get rid of the bitterness in the eggplant. A little bit of salt, let me know in the comments section if I need to improve something in my video. For the next part of the recipe, I pour 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Also 1 cup of breadcrumbs, salt, sweet pepper, and black pepper. Mix it thoroughly. The 5 minutes are up. Take the eggplant and dip it into the flour mixture. Make sure to coat the eggplant thoroughly, including the inside. Heat up a pan and add olive or sunflower oil. Remember when I said don't worry about oversalting? The eggplant will lose the salt quickly as the egg washes off, so you'll end up with just the right amount. I'm frying it for 5 minutes on one side. Then 5 minutes on the other side. And then cook it for another 3 minutes with the lid on. Ready. It really tastes better than meat. Thumbs up if you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching.